Oh my god.
This is so stupid, but it's so funny at the same time. Leo Dango. Alright, Leo Dango. Show me what you got. Google Drive it. I'm logged in. Boom. And we're starting the installation. Yippee! I'll check back with you guys when we're done. This is the part 1 of like 1,967.
Oh, and so good she on a roll. She ride the dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go, 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 go.
Okay, it's done. Now all I gotta do is hit this button. Oh, and then we hit shut down. Oh yeah! Vector. Oh, shut the f up. Yes! It's blinking like crazy, but I think I did it. Oh! 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 I did it! And now we wait for part 2 because this is gonna take all day.
Can I get a steak, please?
You want steak?
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the hell? Okay. That's a little bit of a bug, but that could probably be fixed with an update. So it's installing. It's almost finished copying files over, so there's the, a little bit off topic. You guys want to see my 2 Weezer vinyls? I'm just waiting for that to be done. Oh god fucking damn it!